This is cabin 8046 on Radiance of the Seas. It is an ocean view balcony. When you walk in, on the right hand side is going to be your bathroom area. Does have your shower. This one does have a curtain in it, not a shower door. It does have a clothesline. It also has your 2-in-1 body wash and hair shampoo. Behind the mirror, they do have some storage areas behind here. And there's also storage below the sink. Your thermostat is right here. On the other side, they have your corner shelving. There's a lot of storage. And this will be your area for your hangers and your life vests. They do have the extra pull-down bar if you need more hanging space for your clothes. The desk area behind the mirror, there is some storage behind here. And also on the other side has the same storage for that. The drawers in the desk, there's 3 of those on that side. The middle drawer will contain your room service menus. They also have a little writing desk. And then this drawer will have your hair dryer and your tissues. And then there's more empty drawer space. And this cabinet here is your cooler. It's pretty shallow and it's not very cold, but it will chill the items. Your TV also has your storage above here. Also contains your safe. It's a good size safe. They have a love seat in this room. It's a little worn, needs some updating. Also has your full-length mirror. They have your nightstands. This is your light switches for your on and off, so you don't have to get out of bed to turn off your lights. It also has no outlets for, no outlets next to the bed. The only outlets are over the desk. So you have your 2 regular outlets and the 2 outlets that you need an adapter for. There's no USB or USB. So then you have your bed area. You also have a nightstand on that side. You also have your curtain that goes all the way across, so you can shut that if someone's getting ready on the other side. You're not waking up the other person. Your balcony does have 2 chairs and a table. When you look out straight down, you have your lifeboats underneath you, but it doesn't obstruct your view if you look straight out. And that's cabin 8046 on Radiance of the Seas.